What's going on, y'all? Hope you're having a great day, morning, or evening. It's your boy Playmaker Wave with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. This trading strategy turned me into a profitable trader. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also live stream a live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. So these were two GBP positions, GBP New Zealand positions. Not only did I take this trade with the members, but we broke this down during the London session lives as well. So you see the first position here was a huge 1-to-4 ratio. The second was a nice 1-to-2. So that means whatever we risk, we made 4 times and 2 times that amount. So I risked $100, I made $400. If I risked $1,000, I made $4,000 off this trade, and I would have made $200 or $2,000 off of this trade, making a total of either $600 or $6,000 off these two positions alone. You know what I'm saying? This was the trade. You can see the day, October 24th. You see the time we entered it, 10:16 a.m. You see the entry, SL, the TPs. You see the TPs getting hit, right? And I'll let them know that we hit the next level, broke some of that more down, as you can see here in the newer price watch list. And I sent the screenshot letting them know that, again, it went as projected. Again, we dropped this to 1040. 104, that's when price exploded to the upside. You can see the reactions, all that good stuff. Now we also have a free signal free Telegram. This is how we did last month, September. We went 14-2, giving us an 88% win rate, catching a total of 35,486 pips. We only lost 2 trades last month, y'all, and we're absolutely dominating October. We only lost 1 trade this month so far. Now again, you go to October 2nd, you can see this. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the month. All wins and losses are posted. We send a link out to the live stream every day before we go live. And at the beginning every week, we drop the Sunday chart analysis. The Sunday chart analysis goes over not just what we see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but it goes over what we see price doing throughout the entire week. We post recap the day at the end of every day. All wins and losses are posted. Literally can't make none of this stuff up. And when you scroll down to October 4th, you'll see how we ended quarter 3. July, we went 16-5, catching 1,442 pips. August 13-1, catching 27,727. And then again, September 14-2, ending the quarter 43-8, giving us an 84% win rate, catching a total of 64,655 pips. Again, absolutely been dominating and killing it. All right. And you go to where it says subscribers and you go to photos. There's over 1,000 photos, 2 years worth of receipts of screenshots of positions, screenshots of signals, as well as student results and testimonials. So make sure to explore the channel. Check all this stuff out, y'all. Make sure to explore the channel, y'all. Check all this stuff out, y'all. It's called the playbook for a reason. We literally be doing this on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So the first thing you always want to do, and this is what I tell my members and students to do as well, is the first thing you want to do is identify the trend on the bigger time frame. When you identify the trend on the bigger time frame instead of the smaller time frame, it's going to tell you the direction price has not only been going for the past week and month, but the direction price is going to be heading throughout this week and throughout the day. Versus when you go into the smaller time frame, it only breaks down and explains what price is doing at that exact moment, which is why a lot of times people get caught in these fake outs and quote unquote liquidity sweeps. So we can see here that we are bullish because again, we see clear higher highs, but we're just struggling to break this resistance level here. We've been struggling for the past 2-3 weeks. So I know that if price is going to need, I know if price is going to continue the uptrend, it's going to need to break this resistance level and treat it as a support level. So unless it breaks the levels below us, starts treating as resistance, I'm going to still look for buys, because if we're in an uptrend, only look for buys. Downtrend, only look for sells, no matter what. So this is when we mark off our key price levels and then look for our entries and setups. Boom, now we got our key price levels marked off. So again, price attempts to break back above this level and hold that support, we're going to pull the trigger for buys. So now it's going to go into the smaller time frame to see if price is going to be a confirmation or not. So again, we see price rejecting this level. So again, we're not going to enter. It's that simple. If our confirmations are met, we simply just don't enter the trade. All right, so here, right, this is when price broke the level. You see multiple candlesticks is retesting and holding this level as support. So this is when you want to pull the trigger after you see price retest here and hold as support. So after we saw price do that, that's when we went for the buy. Now, this is an important lesson because, again, a lot of people see these videos online. Oh, how you can make X amount of dollars in 5 minutes, how you can trade for 20 minutes a day. Not every trade is going to take the same amount of time to meet your confirmations or to play out. As you can see here, we was in drawdown and holding this level for hours before volume kicked in Tokyo session to do the move we was looking for. So that's why it's important to hold to SL or TP gets hit, right? Then we see price struggling to break this resistance level. Again, we're just waiting for volume to kick in. And then during New York session, that's when price broke that level and continued to fly to the upside. And that's why I pulled the trigger, took the second position, scaling in. Instead of holding one position, I had two positions in this trade. And it's literally that simple, y'all. You just go with the flow of price, enter buys off support, sells off resistance, wait for confirmations, and then enter, right? That's why I teach my members and students on a daily basis. And not only were we able to catch that huge move, but when you look here, we caught the entire daily candlestick for the day. So that means we caught the entire move price made for the day. We caught literally every single pip, which is exactly why I teach y'all to trade the way I trade, y'all. It's called the playbook for a reason. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free signal and free Telegram. If you're interested in how to identify these levels, my signal services or my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Hands play signal. We trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long. But you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.